If you hop on your browser like this and then you download random images for your personal works or your personal stuff, this video right here is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you an AI by Google that's going to help you create images for yourself for free, and then you can use it for anything you want to do. So the platform we are going to talk about in this video is ImageFX by Google. So this is an image generation tool by Google. It's for free. So on here, you just need to give it a prompt, and then it gives you 4 different types of images. You can go on and then download your images, and you can even edit the image before you download it. So just like you can see, let me walk you guys through the procedure. So you just need to search ImageFX here on your browser, any browser you're using. You get it. And then this is the website. Labs Google. So just like I said, it's owned by Google. So when you tap on that, you don't need to create any account. Once you have your Gmail logged in on your browser, you're going to see this is my Gmail there. So now let's try to give it a prompt. So on here, this is the prompt. So I want to create a Disney type of image. So I didn't even spell it well. So good. So you can see I've given it a prompt like this, and it generated these 4 images for me. I'm going to let it generate another image using the same prompt. So I'm going to just tap on the create here, and then let me watch it create a new image for me. So any type of image you want to generate, just come on here and then give the image description to this AI. It's going to generate it for you, 4 different types, and then you can choose the one you want to use. Even if you want to create a thumbnail, just come here and then you get your image. So you can see these are another 4 types of images here. So I can download them and then give it another prompt again, and then it's going to generate it for me. So this is free to use. So if you download images randomly on the internet, I think you should stop doing it, else you're going to get a suing email that you've been using some people's copyright stuff, so they are suing you or something. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.